Hello friends, this is a short review on Luminous EcoVolt Plus 1550 combo pack with a battery of Luminous Inverlast 150 Ah tubular battery with 6 months warranty, 60 months warranty, which means 2 years replacement warranty. The battery will be replaced, but after that for next 3 years it will be repair and not replace. This is the model of the battery. So I got Luminous EcoVolt Plus 1550 plus Luminous Inverlast 150H tall tubular battery with 60 months warranty at a cost of 21,000, and I bought it from Luminous site. So combo offers on Luminous sites are much cheaper than that from the direct retailers. So if you're buying, my suggestion is go with the Luminous website. In the box we had the inverter and the battery. First let's talk about the inverter. I already had inverter line in my house. I have connected 5 fans, 6 tube lights, 6 LED bulbs, 50-inch TV, Sony soundbar with subwoofer. I also use system, plus in kitchen we use mixer grinder when power is off, and this inverter takes the load without any issues, but there will be a bit kind of a humming noise when you are connecting your mixer grinder. Mine is a Preeti Zodiac mixer grinder, and it is working easily and we never had any issues right now. This inverter comes with eco mode and UPS mode. So if you are connecting your desktop or system, you can use UPS mode or regular mode. If you are using eco mode, that means that to connecting your other electric or electronic appliances, you can go with the eco mode, which is much more efficient and reliable, and it will consume your power less. That's what they say. You can, as you see, there is no noise right now because electricity is there. When it is not there and when it's on inverter, there is bit humming noise, but nothing else. So you don't have to worry about the noise. If your house is having this kind of a small connection, then these plugs will not work because you have to buy a new plug. This is the inbuilt plug which comes with the inverter, and not like old system where it is just the wires. This is a strong, reliable plug, which wire and the plug which is part of the inverter. It's a big one, so you need to buy that one. This was done by the electrician to give the output from the inverter to the normal line, and this is the input of your normal electricity from your electrical line to your inverter. This is the back of the inverter. Inverter is having MCB switch to switch on, switch off, and is a good one, good option. This was the plug which was built by us, which we made with the positive and negative wires to the battery. And here is the UPS mode. By default it is in normal mode. If you want to put it in UPS mode, you can do it. Below is the tabular battery mode, which is by default itself, because most nowadays the batteries are of tabular size, so that is why they're using it. If you're square or different kind of a battery, you can use that option. This is the back. As you can see, there is no sound at all. Now the wire goes directly to the battery, the positive connection, negative connection. The wires, the battery connection wire comes with the bolt and grease. So you don't have to apply Vaseline or any other petroleum thing. The grease itself is there to avoid the corrosion. Plus there is a cap on the battery so that the direct contact with the battery and the wire, that bolt, there won't be direct contact by individual or some external particles. And this is the whole new setup. This is how it is set up. I installed by myself. The battery comes with these indicators are these water indicators, which gives you the exact picture of what level of battery water. So if battery water is, the indicators are down, that means you need to pour the battery water. Battery water you will get it directly from the nearby petrol bunks. You don't have to search the battery shops. At available price of 100 rupees to 140 rupees. I bought this one from the nearby petrol bunk. One shopkeeper took 100 rupees, another gave me for same for 140 rupees for 10 liters. Sorry, 5 liters. So this is how the battery looks. And you see the plywood cabinet. I never took the trolley, which is a PVC or plastic built. Instead of that, I bought the 4 pieces of plywood from the nearby shop, bought these steel caps, attach it with a screw. I was having a drill, and I got small plastic rolling tires, 2 sets for 50 rupees, so that I can move the cabinet easily. And it costed me around 500 rupees for this entire setup, which I did by myself. I would suggest, if you're using this inverter, go ahead, you always buy it from the shop. This is just to let you guys know how the Luminous Volt Plus 1550 looks and what you get when you buy. So this is how the entire model and everything, because most of the people ask what is the model of the battery, how many months of warranty, and 2 years warranty for the inverter. So this is all the whole setup is about. Thank you.